everyone, it's Mikey. How you doing? Welcome to Cooking with Mikey. I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking dinner. Mikey's cooking dinner. We got some corn over there, some boiled potatoes over there. Now we're just having hamburger patties. But I think I'm gonna warm up some mac and cheese from the other night. And I might just eat a cheeseburger, I don't know. Either way, Mikey gonna cook dinner. Let's go over to the stove. So I follow the fat lady when she says, don't cook on high heat. I don't. Cause I don't want the fat lady mad at me. So we're gonna grab some hamburgers. My hands are already washed. I can't see crap, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oops. Oops.
Good job. Oh, I can't get it.
Spatula.
Sorry. I can't get it.
That's alright. We're making Mikey patties. We're gonna get that spatula. We are cooking hamburgers. We are cooking the hamburgers. Oh yeah, yay! We got the burgers cooking. We got the burgers cooking. Yay! We are a happy monkey. 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 Do the funky monkey. Do the funky monkey. Do the funky monkey. So now everyone, we're sitting here cooking these hamburgers. My cheeseburgers are done. And that lady's wife is waiting for her hamburgers. We got boiled potatoes. We got corn. We got livelihood or lively shit, whatever the hell. Point is, have fun while you're cooking. Don't forget to season your meat. Try not to use black pepper. I understand there's a raging case of allergicness to black pepper. So, we're gonna flip these over. Make sure they're done on both sides. They're more done on the other side. Flip. Flip, flip, flip. Flip, flip, flip. Flip, flip, flip. So everybody, the moral of this story is today, try to have fun while you're cooking. And try not to do it when your house is 75 degrees because it gets hot as shit. And that's it, because I'm going to eat my cheeseburgers and I'm going to roll. And then I'm out of here because I got things to do.